there's a puppy.
Puppy!
Puppy. What a cute party hat.
Now focus, Misfortune. You have to make a very difficult choice regarding this puppy now. Be aware of the consequences.
Alright.
Okay. Let's play the puppy.
I will play with it so we can share a nice time together.
Good choice. Now throw the ball at it.
What ball?
This ball.
Ah, that
Oh.
ball. Okay.
A little ball.
Oh.
Oh.
Puppy! What did I do?
Puppy!
I'm so broken now. Mr. Voice, everything I touch breaks. What's wrong with me?
There's nothing wrong with you. Sometimes life is just unfair. But I'm here.
Puppy!
Really? Thank you.
Well, sadly, the puppy will miss the party now.
What party?
Your
The
awful
owner of
voice.
this dog, George, is having a party. I think you have to go and tell him about the accident.
What accident? Ah, yes, the puppy, yes.
Let's
Oh.
go. It's just a bit farther
This little
ahead.
tongue.
Alright. I'm sorry I broke you, puppy. I really am. Maybe we can play later. You know, when I'm broken too.
That's so sad. And the puppy's little tongue.
I'll take the party hat as a symbol of our friendship, puppy doggy.
Oh, now I have a party hat. Hundar? I can't read that. What does it say? Tell me, Misfortune.
It says, no dogs allowed. Oh, really?
Huh. Oh.
Oh no, I step on doggy doo.
Ew.
Let's see what came out. I see a lot of glitter and... Is that rice pudding?
I can't watch this anymore. Please, let's keep moving.
Oh, Misfortune. Wait, what does it say about the doggy?
Oh, sweet. I can see my footprint.
Bruh. That's so gross, Misfortune.
So, Misfortune, at the other side of this lake, you will be one step closer to the prize of eternal happiness.
And the party, right?
Ah, yes, that too.
You know, once at this lake, I got my head stuck in a plastic bag. I remember falling asleep and waking up in the hospital.
Oh,
That's
no.
terrible.
Yeah, I almost died.
That's awful.
Oh,
Oh. Those are some big birds to carry Misfortune away. Oh, she looks
what's
thrilled.
happening?
I think you're in big trouble, Misfortune.
Yeah, tell me about it. Where are these birds taking me?
I have no idea, but you have to do something about it, fast.
Alright.
Kick them in the balls or throw glitter. We're gonna throw glitter.
Okay, my glitter is shiny. So if I throw glitter at the birds, they will only see shiny. And they will get confused and leave me alone.
That sounds like a solid plan, Misfortune.
Alright, here I go. Glitter attack!
What in the Alice in Wonderland?
Ugh, this is taking a long time. We didn't even go that high up.
Well, time seems to slow down when we are in danger.
Am I in danger?
Oh, 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 oh.
Hey, look, a birdie. Hello, birdie. Oh, that was a rude bird.
Yeah, you tell him, Misfortune. That was a rude bird.
Why didn't I break my legs and die?
You seem very good at falling.
Thank you. So, Mr. Voice, is the party on the same way to the eternal happiness?
Yes, yes it is.
Oh, that's convenient.
Have you thought about how to break the news to George?
About the puppy?
Yes. I mean, if you want to.
Yeah, we'll tell George.
Yes, of course. That's the least I can do for the sweet puppy.
Yeah.
That's very brave of you, Misfortune.
Thank you.
Oh, poor puppy.
Oh, look! A boat! Hello! Are we there yet?
Just a little bit farther away.
Ah, okay.
I like this music. A fish.
Ah, a fish!
What should we do about it?
We're gonna bring it with me.
I'll keep it. His name is Rodrigo, and he needs a new place to stay. I wonder if Rodrigo has heard about sushi. It's like Rodrigo, but in tiny pieces, you know?
That's funny. It's Rodrigo, but tiny pieces.
And here we are, the house of George.
I'm a bit nervous about introducing myself.
You'll do fine. You're brave, telling the truth about the puppy.
Stop it. I'm doing it for the puppy, you know?
Hello. We're gonna knock. Is that a dead fish?
Nobody's answering. I'll invite myself in. Time to check out the party.
Bruh. That's a dead fish.
I saw a man once floating in the lake, just like this fisher. I saw a man once.
Sheesh.
Ah, what a nice picture. I wish I had a picture like this with my mommy and daddy.
Aww. Must be George. Oh,
Hello?
What is it, Misfortune?
Nothing.
George?
Are
Hello?
you sure this is the right house? Where is the party? Hello?
It doesn't seem very party. Oh,
Excuse me, are you George? Are you the
Oh,
owner of a
no.
puppy? Because I bring really bad news.
Oh no, wait. It looks like he hung himself.
Hang himself like a piñata? Should I hit him like a piñata?
Misfortune.
No, Misfortune. He's dead.
Dead? But he's wearing a pair of sweet boots. He can't be dead. Oh, okay.
Hey, Misfortune, I think this party's over. Let's leave. I'll meet you in the back.
George, you know, now that you're dead, your puppy is gone. I like the puppy. Bye. Shadan! Happiness to George the Piñata!
You can't go around calling dead people pinatas, Misfortune. Oh,
Oh, what's this? I guess it's not finished.
we're gonna fix it. When are you gonna fix it? Oh.
Look, I brought your doggy back. You're welcome. Freaking birds. Thanks to them, I obviously came late to the party.
Wow. Can I say anything else about anything else in this house? No. Just freaking pinata man. With his sick
Okay,
boots.
I'm here now.
Let's go into the woods and get that eternal happiness.
Yes.
Bird.
Ah, I love woods with the trees and the birds and the animals.
Dangerous animals, Misfortune. You might run into a fox.
A fox? Like Benjamin?
Yes, but all foxes are evil, so keep your eyes open.
Alright.
A fox? Like Benjamin? This girl has a bad for a fox. Fox that she's never even talked to.
Huh. What's this? A doll?
Everything begins with the song of a jackdaw.
Everything begins with the song of a jackdaw. Alright. Alright.
Okay.
Interesting. I'll keep it.
Hey, what do you have there?
Nothing.
Interesting. He didn't seem very...
Stay back, Misfortune.
What is it?
A wild, dangerous fox.
Wait, I recognize that black tail. It's Benjamin.
It doesn't matter. Attack it before it kills you.
Nah, I don't think Benjamin will kill me. Hello, is your name Benjamin? Do you want to play with me? Oh no, don't go!
Oh!
Oh,
What a relief. We are safe now. Let's keep playing my game.
okay.
There's a magical cave nearby. You need to find it.
A magical cave? Okay.
I wonder what would happen if Benjamin finished the circle.
It looks like Benjamin likes to paint. That's pretty cool. I like that in a fox.
Focus, Misfortune. We need to keep going.
Oh, okay.
Oh! I guess that's what happens when you fix a circle. Or finish the circle.
Oh, is this the magical cave? It doesn't look that magical.
Just wait until you go inside.
Oh, I like
Please.
the sound of that. I have a question. What does this sign mean?
Oh, I don't know. Sparkles?
Ah, cool.
So, whenever you're ready.
We're gonna enter the cave. Why not?
Ah, I can't wait to see the magic inside. This cave is huge. Echo.
Well, let's explore the cave.
Okay. I'm just joking. There was no echo. It was me.
You're a real comedian, Misfortune.
Got him.
Thank you.
Well, there's police tape. So, that's not great.
What was that?
What? Did I miss something?
I'm not sure.
Oh.
What's this? A hamster party?
A magical hamster party. I know you love parties.
Do I? Can we go inside?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
You want to go see nude hamsters?
Whoa, hamster fight!
Are you going to do something about it?
And the violence would just... Yeah, we're gonna end the violence.
Don't fight, you adorable things. You have to kiss and make up. There you go. Oh, please, sweetie, don't go. You dropped something. Oh, are those mints? Maybe I should try one so I can keep my breath fresh. I'm a little lady, you know.
No. Bruh.
Ah, I'm feeling really nice.
Oh, Misfortune. it's a dog. Oh. Not the crows. Aww.
Well, that wasn't a mental refreshment at all.
Are you all right, Misfortune?
I'm okay.
Wait. Here we go.
XXX. Talk about crazy. Excuse me, could a little lady get inside? No, I'm not very important, you say? Okay. Can you believe this guy, Mr. Voice?
We have to find another way out now.
Welp.
These tiny cutie cars are killing me with their cuteness. So cute.
I just realized the two hamsters kissing in the background.
Look at them. With their tiny cocktails and their tiny clothing. This is too cute for me. Check
Aww.
that lady out. I think she's in trouble.
Oh no, I think I recognize her. She's the owner of the club back there.
Really?
Yes, looks like she was robbed.
Oh, I bet it was that hamster with the black mask.
Yes,
No way.
You're right. Looks like you helped the criminal escape.
Oh, damn it. Does that mean I'm a criminal too?
Of course it does.
Oh, really? Please don't tell me.
Your secret is safe with me.
Thank you.
Oh, I went too far. There we go.
Excuse me, do you need assistance? No? Okay.
Hey, Misfortune, we need to find a way out now. The eternal happiness is still out there.
Okay, I'll look around.
Well, we've got an export box. And we got a button.
I wonder what this button does.
Press it.
Another fancy.
Good job, Misfortune. You found the way out.
Thank you.
Let's climb the ladder. We're not gonna stay in the sewer. Stop. Oh. This is a hamster
Look,
meth
just
lab?
like a movie I saw on TV. These are the bad guys, I'm telling you.
I think you're right. We need to clear the way before we can proceed.
But how?
You see that fire alarm over there? We need to activate it.
Yeah, but how?
With a slingshot.
What slingshot?
This slingshot.
Ah, that slingshot. Okay.
That slingshot.
Ah, look, I use these acorns as ammunition.
That's really clever, Misfortune.
I know, thank you.
Aim with up, down, or WS. Shoot with space. Okay. Let's try that.
Oopsie.
Okay, let's go way, way up. Okay, a little too high up. Let's go down a little bit. Oh, so close. Go down just a little bit more.
That was close.
Oh. There we go. I hit 2 of them in the head.
We did it!
Well done, Misfortune.
Yay! Squirrels?
Huh.
This looks like the science project Daddy has in the basement. I don't know why, but Mommy was really angry about it. That's a lot of cash. Is this the eternal happiness?
Oh no. What makes you think that?
Mommy said that money is the only thing that makes her happy.
Well, your mommy is wrong.
Oh, really? Okay.
Wow. Mommy's never wrong. I'm gonna climb the ladder. We're gonna get out of the sewer. It's kind of gross here.